Hey everyone, today we're going to be exploring the recently launched Cubot King Kong Star 2, a tough smartphone made for people who require a dependable, strong, and potent gadget. Strong phones are something Cubot is known for, and the King Kong Star 2 goes one step further by including some cutting-edge capabilities. The secondary display located on the back panel is one of the most notable features. With this special edition, you may read notifications, the time, and other tailored data without ever turning on the main screen. Additionally, it's integrated inside the camera housing, giving the phone a cutting-edge, tech-savvy appearance. The body is incredibly sturdy because it is made of a combination of metal and other shock-resistant materials. With its IP68, IP69K, and mil-STD 810H ratings, it is water, dust, and drop resistant. Corning Gorilla Glass provides additional protection against scratches and mechanical damage to the front display. The King Kong Star 2 maintains a rather small profile for a phone in this category, measuring just 7.2 millimeters thick at its thinnest point despite being robust. With a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus display that boasts a 144 Hz refresh rate and 1980 by 2400 resolution, the King Kong Star 2 is an enjoyable device to use for browsing, gaming, and watching videos. Even in harsh sunshine, the display is guaranteed to remain clear thanks to its 1500 nit brightness. It is powered by the Dimensity 8220 processor. This allows it to easily handle demanding programs and multitask. You won't run out of space quickly because of the 256 gigabytes of internal storage that can be expanded via a micro SD card and the 12 gigabytes of LPDDR5 RAM. The Mali G610MC6 GPU offers fluid graphics performance for gamers. The King Kong Star 2 has 3 cameras, a primary sensor with 100 megapixels resolution, a secondary sensor with 5 megapixels resolution, and a third lens for depth perception. It is less effective in low-light conditions, even if it produces detailed and vivid images when used in daylight. Nonetheless, the camera quality is excellent for a tough phone. In low light, the 32 megapixels front camera captures good selfies, although considerable detail is lost. Although portrait mode performs admirably, there are a few little issues when taking pictures in dimly lit areas. The King Kong Star 2's 5,100 mAh battery allows it to function for extended periods of time. When necessary, you may quickly recharge thanks to the 33-watt fast charging capability. In addition, it has compatibility for Bluetooth 5.1, NFC, and 5G connectivity, making it a cutting-edge smartphone. The Cubot King Kong Star 2 defies convention by providing robust performance, a fluid high refresh rate display, respectable cameras, and protection all in one package. For people who lead busy lives and require a phone that can survive rough environments without sacrificing functionality, this is the ideal option. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more reviews on the latest gadgets. Have a nice day and God bless you.